Hello everyone, this is Ashmi and welcome back to our channel. So, if you're a keen traveler, you will have probably realized that the places that make the most impact are the ones that gives you a knock your socks off feeling that never leaves you. But since traveling can be a rare opportunity to see the world, besides the whole corona thing happening right now and cut loose from our day-to-day lives, it's only natural that we want even more out of our vacation. We don't just want a holiday, we want to be inspired. So here are some of the most inspiring places around the world that can switch on your wanderlust mode. So guys, first off, we have Myanmar, which you can definitely go if you want to get off the beaten track. Thanks to a more democratized government, Myanmar, which only surpassed 1 million tourist arrivals in 2012, is finally becoming a real travel prospect. Despite its sad history, the smiles on the faces of its people just won't budge, and the mind-altering temples of Bagan will make you glad you traveled to this lonely part of the planet. It's a step back into another world which is increasingly hard to find. On the second place, we have Vietnam, which is famous for its food. So after you try all the delicious street food that's an offer to Hoi An and Hanoi, you will probably want to learn how to make it yourself. Sure, your bun cha or pho isn't as authentic as the steaming bowl you ate by the side of the road, but perhaps you'll be inspired to up your culinary game at your next dinner party. So in the third place, we have Spain, which is famous for its architecture. So if the Rome building leaves you feeling cold, head to Europe for some awe-inspiring Spanish architecture. From the unique and colorful gaudy buildings and designs in Barcelona to the Basque architecture in the north and the Guggenheim Museum in Bilbao, there is no shortage of stunning structures to admire. Next up, we have our own country, India, which you all know is famous for its spirituality. So, if the corporate 9 to 5 has made you forget the you beneath it all, there is no better place to center yourself and find some inner peace than India, the birthplace of yoga. Steeped in traditions and rituals, travel to Varanasi, Amritsar, and Kerala to truly experience the spirituality that the Western world has left behind. So, guys, on the fifth place, we have Nepal, which you can definitely go if you want to push yourself to the limit. If you want more of a challenge than the average hike can give, take on the ultimate trekking test and scale Mount Everest. So, it's not for the faint of heart and should not be undertaken lightly. But if your training pays off and you reach the summit, there's literally nothing in the world you can't achieve. So, on the sixth place, we have Iceland, which is famous for its beautiful mother nature. Few other places are likely to supply you with the full weight of awe and admiration for Mother Nature than the Northern Lights. You can see them as early as August when the sky is dark and lit up by the stunning kaleidoscope light display, and aurora activity is always listed on Iceland's tourism website. So, on the seventh place, we have Italy, which is famous for its fashion. So, a trip to one of the fashion capitals of the world could motivate you to stop grabbing the first thing out of your wardrobe and start creating a signature style. Not only is Italy known for its designer labels, Milan Fashion Week, and great shopping scene, every pavement is its very own catwalk. So, on the eighth place, we have Japan, which is famous for its technology. You're one up on your mom, who is yet to purchase a smartphone, but you have nothing on Japan, famed for its cutting edge technology and state of the art design innovation. So, your stay in a capsule hotel with talking toilet or super speedy subway commute alongside schoolgirls with the latest gadgets may make you feel like a dinosaur. So next up, we have USA, which is famous for its sporting prowess. So it's a nation of fiercely proud sports fans across all disciplines and cities. Just name a place in America and you'll probably be able to think of at least one sport team it's known for. Whether it's a tour of Wrigley Field in Chicago or watching the New York Knicks slam dunk at Madison Square Gardens, though maybe wait a few years, sitting in the same arenas where sports legends were born is pretty damn inspiring. So, last but not the least, we have Australia, which you can definitely go for getting fit. Whether they are running along the beach outside their front door or jostling shoulder to shoulder with other joggers along the paths of the Royal Botanic Gardens, Aussies loves to get active outdoors. Admittedly, they don't have months out of action when the mercury drops below zero, but even their blisteringly hot summers won't keep locals sheltering inside. So guys, this is it for the video. Do update your bucket list of visiting these 10 most inspiring countries in the world, which can give you a flavor of the people, places and the experiences that are set to delight and excite your itchy feet. So what other inspirational destinations stoke your wanderlust? Do comment below. Bye!